Did you know you can turn leftover peanut paste from groundnut oil making into delicious, crunchy snacks that look just like cookies? Well, today I'm about to show you something truly exciting. How to make baked kuli kuli that is not just tasty, but perfect for business too. But wait, if you haven't watched the first part where we made groundnut oil and ended up with this leftover paste, I highly recommend watching it first for better understanding. The link is right here in the description of this video. Now, let's dive right in. Start by breaking the leftover molded peanut paste into crumbs using your spatula. This is the same paste we saved after extracting our oil. Next, add your seasoning, salt, a touch of sugar and some pepper. Feel free to adjust the spice to your taste. Mix everything thoroughly to combine the flavors well. You can as well add ginger and onion powder if you wish. Every other spice is optional except for salt. Now, here is the trick. Since we previously evaporated most of the water, we need to add some back but slowly. Add water little by little and knead the mixture until it becomes firm and dough-like. The water acts as a binder to bring everything together. Once the dough is nice and firm, you can mold it into your desired shapes and fry as usual. But today we are doing something more fun. Place a sheet of parchment paper on your working surface. Put your peanut dough on top, cover with another parchment paper and use a rolling pin to flatten it out evenly to your preferred thickness. Time for the fun part. Remove the top parchment paper and cut into your desired shape with whatever you have. But I'm using this special cookies cutter to shape mine. I am starting with a rectangular cutter. Press it in gently and carefully add the paste to my baking tray. This cutter did not just make them beautiful but also made my work faster. Then I do the same with a round cutter. They already looked beautiful. Place your tray in a preheated oven and bake for 25 minutes. That is it. And here we go. Crispy, beautiful, and absolute delicious baked kuli kuli. These are not just snacks. They are the perfect idea for anyone looking to start a small business with peanut products. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more traditional recipe with a twist. And if you haven't seen the first video yet, make sure to check it out. Everything started from there. See you in the next video.